you doing? Hello, my beautiful popping queens. How are you doing? How are you doing? Yes, you. How are you doing? I hope you're popping. Are you popping? Oh yes, you are popping. I can see you. Thank you guys for the love, for the support. It's another hair transformation. Yes, I'm gonna be transforming my hair. When I come here and my makeup is done, you know it's another hair transformation video. So I'm gonna be splaying my hair and I'm gonna be popping. And I'm using wig from Geniuswigs. So let's unbox this hair. So I haven't unboxed this hair. I'm gonna open this hair straight from the pack so you guys can see how Genius hair looks straight from the pack. You guys, I've used Genius wig before. This is why I'm very confident that I'm gonna unbox it in front of the camera, and I'll be doing the installation immediately straight from the pack. Okay, so let's unbox. Let's see. Okay, you guys, there's a lot in here, but I'm gonna show you guys. It's a crystal lace frontal. Crystal lace frontal. Yes, crystal lace frontal. Okay, they say lace durability. Okay, let's open this first of all. So I've got what? Oh, 3 sample. I've got normal HD and crystal lace. So they are trying to tell us that crystal lace, let me say it in the mirror. So this is normal lace and this is crystal lace. So this one is stronger. Okay, you see, this is stronger than this one, this one is lighter. Okay, so they are trying to tell you this lace, the one I've got, is crystal lace, meaning it's going to last longer. Okay, so this is why they have lace durability here. So this is why they gave me these 2 samples. Okay, crystal lace is going to melt really well and it's also going to last really well. So that's the lace I've got today. Okay, Genius wig is crystal lace. Okay, also, and I've got this. Yes, and I also got this, okay, and this. But I already have my wig cap on. Okay, this hair is a summer wig. As you can tell, it's bob. This is summer and you need a bob in your life. Okay, let's see the lace. So this crystal lace. As you can see, straight from the pack. You can see me taking it out from the pack. I don't need to plug. It's pre-plug. I don't need to bleach. It's pre-bleach. Okay, everything is ready for me to just install straight away. Okay, so I'm going to install this wig straight away. Okay, yeah, let's see inside. Look at the inside. Beautiful. You have got elastic band. Okay, so this lace can be worn glueless. You don't need to glue this lace. Okay, very quick, very easy. Okay, you don't need to glue it because it has got elastic band. All you need to do is cut the lace and you're ready to go. Okay, you guys, I love this so much because you can't even detect. You think this hair is growing from my scalp. Like, it's so beautiful. Beautiful. The knots are bleach knots, bleach. Silky straight. The lace. Look at that lace. Beautiful. You see that? So nice. Look at that. Look at that hairline. Glueless. What lace? Glueless. What lace? Glueless, and the edge is popping. You guys, I'm not even gonna glue this lace at all. You know when you glue a wig the first time, you feel like you want to be gluing it all the time. But this one, I'm gonna be wearing it glueless. Like, look at that. Glueless. Like, look. So beautiful. Look at that, people. What lace? So natural. So yes guys, that's it for Genius wig. I'm gonna put a link to this wig in the description box. Let me know what you think about this wig. I love it so much. In my last video, my light was so much, like my light was too much. I actually discovered my light was off at the end of the video when I was like looking at my blush, and my blush is like, oh my, you guys, I love this wig so much. You can just tell that I love it. The texture, like look at the texture, the shine, the front, like beautiful frontal 12 inches bob frontal wig. So beautiful. I love. You guys, I'm gonna be coming with more wigs so I can show you guys, so you guys can have so many options, because it's summer and we have to be popping. We have to be popping. Wow, I'm feeling myself. 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 You guys know I have a shorter wig, but I love this one so much because it's 12 inches. You know, I don't feel like I'm wearing something too short. It's just so beautiful. It just has its own vibe. You know, that vibe. I love this. Ooh, I can't stop looking at myself. I am popping, you guys. Like I said, link to Genius wig is gonna be in the description box. In the description box. Let me know what you think about my hair. Let me know what you think about the lace. So beautiful, pre-plucked, pre-bleached. Everything about this wig is popping. You guys love it. You guys always make sure you tell me I'm popping in the comment section, because I am really popping today. Like today, nobody can tell me nothing. I can tell I am popping. Like I can just tell that I'm slaying with this wig from Genius Wig. So beautiful. This is crystal frontal lace, okay? Crystal lace, okay? As you can tell, it's going to last you longer, okay? It will melt. It will give you all the quality that you want, okay? Link is down below. I love this wig. Bye guys. Love you guys. Bye.